opportunity to go to university. In my experience, I did well in Cape. The Brownstown Community College published me in the Jamaica Gleaner, Sunday Gleaner. I was published in the North Coast Times for my grade, but my parents didn't have the money, so I had to take a year off. I have ambition. I know I'm right, but I never have the money. Under the next mark, Jefferson Golden, PNP Red Administration. And corporate leaders committed that the first child in every household, the first one to go to university, will get a free scholarship from the next PNP Red Administration. We still have more. Our party believe in us. Our leader believe in us. And so you have some of us who had to go to students' loan to take out a loan to fund our tuition. Like me, after I waited a whole year, I had to defer. I went to students' loan. I started the process, comrades. I feel good, see a time for me to get that degree.
Comrades, Michael is my younger brother. His father has taken him under his wings when I was in the wild. And when he was touring and he was going through to become a member of parliament, I was there with him. And I'm proud of it. Because when I do something against some people calling him, and I feel good because there are some places people can't call them anything because they're enemies. So tonight, comrades, keep what you have. Keep the councillors. Keep the MP. Because we have not got much from this Labour government. And when the People's National Party take up the leadership of this country in September of this year, we shall see what we shall see. I know the comrade black says 38, but I want to put some work on it because we're moving to Jamaica. We want to take Jamaica by storm because we know when this election's over, it is Mark G and the PNP. God bless you, my friend, tonight.
And so we have a plan. We have a plan for housing to return the National Housing Trust to its original mandate. It was the